Hello traders, today we'll show you how trade2sync helps you manage risk smarter with automatic position sizing options. First, we have the fixed lot size. This feature allows you to decide exactly how much volume should be placed whenever a signal is copied. For example, you can set TP1 to trade with 0.10 lots, TP2 with 0.20 lots, and TP3 with 0.30 lots. Once configured, trade2sync will always execute trades using those exact lot sizes, regardless of your account balance or market conditions. The second feature is dynamic lot size by dollar amount. Rather than choosing a fixed lot size, you can decide how much money you're willing to risk on each trade. For example, you may choose to risk $50 or any amount that fits your trading plan. When a signal arrives, trade2sync automatically calculates the appropriate lot size based on the stop-loss distance of that trade. And now we have dynamic lot size by balance percentage. This feature allows you to risk a percentage of your account balance instead of a fixed dollar amount. For example, you may decide to risk 1%, 2%, or 3% of your account on each trade. Trade2sync then automatically calculates the correct lot size based on your current account balance and the stop loss of the trade. So, what are your thoughts on them? Let us know in the comments. See you in the next one!